Now let's come to the second block. Second block is right here. So now we are going to take the button and override its values. So now we need the button to be 100% as it is, and then we need in this block a padding of on the left and right sides, a padding of how much is this? How much is it in my design? 20 pixels. 20 pixels. Okay. This is it. Almost. Let's check it out. Where did that go? Oh wait, that's on this side. How does it look on this tiny phone? Okay. No one uses this, so let's not get in too much depth. So this is the standard. It's working in the standard, and let's just confirm for once that this box, everything is exactly in the center. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oh, actually, just responsive. Is it? Yes, it is in the center. Okay, not gonna bother with the rest now. So yeah, this is. Oh, okay. Actually, let's bring all this back and let us tidy it a little bit. So where did all the 1, 2? Where's the third one? Third one. Now let me tidy it up. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Marching up is going to be. Let me give it 50 pixels. Just bring that down a little bit. And this one on the bottom is gonna have margin bottom of, let's say, 20 pixels. Okay, now let us take perfect, and I'm gonna apply the same thing to this one. It's gonna be hover opacity. Oh no, actually not opacity. Let's make it spicy. Border 2 pixels. That's it. 2, not 1. 2 pixels. Solid. Black. Oh no. I'm going gonna deal with it later. For now, just the same thing. 0.6, and I'm gonna add a transition to it. 0.3 seconds. Ease out. Perfecto. And then href. Let me add everything. ram.com/ YouTube. Oh, actually, YouTube, I don't have one yet. Slash this one. Slash this one. And this is linkedin.com/in/ this one. Okay, let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. Did I save? I saved all of this. Something is wrong. Oh my, no. What is that? Yeah, it's here. It is. What? Yeah, this is working. Let me. What am I supposed to add? The whole thing? https://www/ oh my god. Okay, let's test it out. Let me hold it. Okay. Oh, working. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. I think it's because of the security. They don't allow HTTP requests. It has to be HTTPS. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. Okay. YouTube. No. Instagram working. LinkedIn working. Twitter working. This was not working. Yeah. Wait, I'm just gonna take this and check some stuff out. I'm just gonna log in and try. Oh wow, okay, so this is actually, I think, question mark language. You don't need it. Now let's open this. Yes, okay, that's working. Now I need to open everything in a new tab. So I need to 1, 2, 3, oh, get lost. 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Target. Blank. Not black. Blank. Save it. Now, oh shoot. Where did it go? Okay, new tab. Okay, new tab, new tab. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Yes. Ah, yes, finally. Now in the next step, I'm going to show you how to. I'm going to show how I'm going to host it to Firebase.